Giraffes are one of the most fascinating and unique creatures on the planet. With their long necks, towering heights, and graceful movements, these gentle giants have intrigued people for centuries. But what makes giraffes so special? Well, in this video, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about giraffes that you probably didn't know. From their unusual way of sleeping to their powerful legs, let's see the extraordinary world of these magnificent animals. Stay tuned for some jaw-dropping revelations. Number 10. They have the largest heart of any land mammal. Giraffes aren't just famous for their towering necks and long legs, their hearts are just as extraordinary. A giraffe's heart can weigh up to 25 pounds and measure nearly 2 feet in length, making it one of the largest hearts found in land animals. This massive organ has a demanding job, pumping blood all the way up the giraffe's long neck to reach the brain. To accomplish this, the heart must generate extremely high blood pressure, far greater than that of most mammals. Nature has solved this challenge by giving the giraffe a heart with exceptionally thick and powerful muscular walls, allowing it to pump blood efficiently without damage. Specialized valves and blood vessels also help regulate pressure and prevent blood from rushing back down the neck. Truly, the giraffe's heart is a remarkable example of biological engineering at work. Number 9. Their necks have the same number of vertebrae as ours. Despite their necks reaching such extraordinary lengths, giraffes have only 7 neck vertebrae, the same number found in humans. The difference is scale. Each of a giraffe's cervical vertebrae can grow up to 10 inches long, creating a neck that can exceed 6 feet in total length. This remarkable structure allows giraffes to browse the tops of tall trees and access food sources unavailable to most other animals, giving them a major survival advantage. However, the giraffe's neck isn't used only for feeding. It also plays a crucial role in social behavior, especially during mating season. Male giraffes engage in a dramatic ritual known as necking, where they swing their long, powerful necks and strike opponents to establish dominance and win mating rights. These battles can be intense, turning the giraffe's elegant neck into a formidable natural weapon. Number 8. Giraffes only sleep for about 4.5 hours a day. Unlike many mammals that spend long hours asleep, giraffes have some of the shortest sleep requirements in the animal kingdom. On average, they sleep only about 4.5 hours within a full 24-hour period, and even that sleep is broken into short, scattered intervals rather than one long rest. Most of the time, giraffes sleep while standing up, allowing them to remain partially alert to their surroundings. Only occasionally do they lie down for a brief, power nap, often lasting just a few minutes. This unusual sleep pattern is believed to be an important survival strategy. By sleeping less and staying upright, giraffes can quickly detect danger and react to predators such as lions. Remaining alert reduces vulnerability, proving that for giraffes, staying awake can be just as vital as getting rest. Number 7. Their tongues are about 18 inches long. Giraffes possess remarkably long tongues that can reach an impressive length of around 18 inches, making them perfectly suited for feeding high in the treetops. These prehensile tongues allow giraffes to skillfully grasp and strip leaves from tall trees, especially acacia trees, which are their preferred source of food. To handle this challenging task, their tongues are covered with tough papillae, small, rough bumps that provide grip and protect against sharp thorns and branches. This unique texture helps giraffes feed efficiently without injury. Another fascinating feature is the tongue's dark bluish-purple color. Scientists believe this pigmentation acts as natural protection against sunburn, as giraffes spend many hours each day with their tongues fully extended in direct sunlight. Altogether, the giraffe's tongue is a brilliant adaptation, combining strength, flexibility, and protection to support its extraordinary lifestyle. Number 6. Their spots are like fingerprints. You might think a giraffe's spots are just decorative, but they are actually as unique as human fingerprints. No two giraffes share the same spot pattern, making each individual instantly identifiable. These distinctive markings serve an important purpose in the wild by providing camouflage, helping giraffes blend into trees, shadows, and surrounding vegetation. This natural disguise can make it harder for predators to spot them from a distance. Because each pattern is different, Scientists often use spot arrangements to identify and track individual giraffes in the wild, much like facial recognition. There are also visible differences among giraffe types. Reticulated giraffes have large, neatly shaped spots separated by bright white lines, creating a net-like appearance. In contrast, Maasai giraffes display irregular, jagged patches that look more scattered. These unique patterns make giraffes both scientifically fascinating and visually unforgettable. Number 5. They can run up to 35 miles per hour. Despite their large size and long legs, giraffes can run surprisingly fast. They are capable of reaching speeds up to 35 miles per hour in short bursts. While they can maintain this speed for only brief distances, it's enough to outrun predators like lions if necessary. Additionally, giraffes have an interesting way of running called pacing. Instead of moving their legs in a standard trot, giraffes move their legs in sync, which helps them cover ground quickly. It's incredible to think that such towering creatures can be so nimble on their feet. Number 4. They have extremely powerful legs. Giraffes are not only fast but also incredibly strong, especially when it comes to using their legs. A giraffe's legs can deliver a deadly kick. In fact, their powerful back legs can easily break a lion's skull with a single strike. Giraffes use their legs primarily for defense against predators. They have a unique way of kicking, using the front legs to sweep away threats and the back legs for more powerful, direct blows. Their legs aren't just built for defense, they also help them travel long distances as they forage for food. Number 3. Giraffes have a very limited vocal range. You might expect a creature as large as a giraffe to make loud sounds or calls, but that's not the case. Giraffes are known for being remarkably quiet animals. While they can make some low-frequency noises, such as grunts and snorts, they don't communicate with sounds as much as other animals do. Instead, giraffes rely on their body language and positioning to communicate with each other. For example, they may touch necks, rub against each other, or simply use their towering presence to make their intentions known. It's a fascinating example of how animals adapt to their environment and social structure. Number 2. They can live up to 25 years in the wild. In the wild, giraffes typically live to be about 25 years old, though they can live even longer in captivity, where they are protected from predators and receive consistent care. In the wild, giraffes face many challenges, including attacks from lions, diseases, and food scarcity. However, giraffes are resilient, and with their tall stature and ability to browse for food from tall trees, they can thrive in various African habitats. It's amazing to think that, despite the many threats they face, giraffes can live such long lives in the wild, often outliving other herbivores in their range. Number 1. Giraffes are endangered. While giraffes may seem like an abundant and stable species, their populations are unfortunately declining. Over the last few decades, giraffe numbers have decreased by nearly 40%, making them a species of concern. The main threats to giraffes come from habitat loss, poaching for their skin and meat, and human-wildlife conflict. They also face pressure from illegal hunting and the encroachment of agricultural development. As giraffes are incredibly important to their ecosystems, conservation efforts are critical to ensuring their survival. Fortunately, there are ongoing efforts to protect giraffes through national parks, wildlife reserves, and international conservation programs. It's easy to feel helpless when you learn that a majestic species like the giraffe is facing challenges, but there are things we can all do to help protect them. Supporting organizations dedicated to wildlife conservation, spreading awareness about giraffes' plight, and even choosing eco-friendly products that don't contribute to habitat destruction can make a big difference. Together, we can work to ensure that giraffes continue to roam the African savannas for generations to come. Giraffes are incredible creatures with a range of fascinating traits, from their long necks to their strong legs. These gentle giants have adapted in extraordinary ways to survive and thrive in the African landscape. While they face challenges like habitat loss and poaching, we can all contribute to their conservation efforts and make sure these magnificent animals continue to amaze us with their unique qualities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends. Let's work together to protect the giraffes and ensure they stay a part of our world for years to come.